So in terms of supporting areas of personal tax, one of the big announcements is the change of the tax-free allowance that has been in place for dividends. That's currently £2,000 a year, and a lot of owner-run businesses use that. It's reducing to £1,000 from April and £500 from 2024. If this affects you, just make sure that you are using those allowances this year, which remain at £2,000 till April. Other personal tax changes that have been announced is the change in the capital gains thresholds that are being halved from April and then halved again, which will take them down to £3,000 over the next 2 years. What is positive on that is that there's been no change to the rates, so for people looking to exit their businesses, that can still be on the cards at the rates that they may be currently planning for. For those planning further employment, particularly around the national living wage, that is going up to £10.42 from April. If you are looking to take people on at that end of the market, it's to plan for that. And further to the planning of wages going to £10.42, it's also been announced there's no further changes to be expected from National Insurance, but to reiterate that it's 13.8% that you do need to be planning for on employee earnings of over £9,100 a year. Okay, so business tax changes, and these are often the ones we get the most questions over, is the fact that it's been announced that the 25% rate of corporation tax, which is obviously a big change from the current 19%, will still come into play from April 23. They are saying that's still only for a small minority of people though, as the small profits rate, which tapers that 25% from the 19% for profits between 50,000 to 250,000. For profits below 50,000, they will still be taxed at the current 19%. Other points to mention is that there will be no changes to VAT. I think they said 26 or at least 2028, but I think we can definitely say for the foreseeable future there's going to be no changes to the current VAT rates. So those were the main business changes really, and that is therefore planning now any expenditure that you can whilst it's a 19% blanket rate, and also planning ahead if you are projecting more than £50,000 worth of income. Is there expenditure, is there investment that you can do that you may have been putting off?